What's the meaning of advise? Advise. 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 The word advise means to offer suggestions or recommendations to someone, typically with the intention of helping them make a decision or solve a problem. When someone advises another person, they are providing guidance and support based on their knowledge or experience. The ultimate goal of advising is to assist someone in making informed decisions and taking appropriate actions. Effective advice can help individuals navigate complex situations, avoid potential pitfalls, and achieve their goals more quickly and efficiently.